motion. But based on some public requests, I am treating statistics. And I believe you are happy now. Great. Now when you talk about statistics, what is it about? It is the process of collecting data, organizing data, analyzing data, interpreting your data, and presenting it in the way that you like. Good. So let's write some things down and explain the key words in our definition. So after looking at the definition, let's now look at the keywords into details. So in terms of collecting of data, what are some instruments that we use in collecting data? When we talk about organizing the data, how do we organize our data? Then analyzing the data to how can we go about it? Interpreting and presenting the data as well. How do we present the information that we collect from the field? Let's go through the steps together. On the field, what are some of the tools in collecting data? We can use observation, questionnaire, and even interviews. There are others. So let's look at these basic ones. So observation, interview, and administration of what? Questionnaires. So we can organize our data into some specific defined way. If you want information about students, it should be information about students. If you want the census to know about the economical state of the nation, it should be about the information or the population census. If you also want maths by students, you also do that. So there are some ways or there are other ways in organizing your data based on the information you want to gather. Good. Then what about analyzing the data? In our various schools, we can analyze the data using SPSS or Stata or other ones that you know. So we can analyze our data using the SPSS or Stata or other ones. Then we come to the interpreting of data. How do we interpret our data? Before you interpret your data, you need to represent the data. And you can represent the data on or using the pie chart, the bar chart, or even tables. So we can use the pie chart, the bar graphs, or tables. Okay, good. Then after representing your data, then you can now analyze it and interpret it based on your findings. So this is all about statistics. In our next video, we will look at the two basic types of statistics, which are the descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. Then we will also talk about importance of statistics in our real life situation. Thank you so much for your time. I believe this video was helpful. Please, I will be expecting your questions at the comment section as well. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video for more of your mathematics tutorials. Till we meet again.